Hello, welcome to another edition of Tech Bytes Product Reviews with Ron Nutter. Now, this is a car charger, and you may already have one at home, but I'll guarantee it's probably not one like this. As you notice, as the front panel goes by, it has a repair mode in it, and I kind of went, well, I knew there was a problem with the battery I had. The vehicle had been sitting in storage for several months, and even with a trickle charger on it, came out to start it, and it was deader than a doornail. Called the local auto folks that can replace batteries, and they came out. They wouldn't replace the batteries. Said our equipment can't tell that the battery is, that there's even a battery connected when he had connected to the battery. And I said, well, it's obviously dead. Well, we're not allowed to change it. I said, then just go on. I'll take care of this one. And I was prepared to run down to the parts store and just go buy another battery and then throw the one, well, I won't go there. What I ended up doing is buying this charger, putting it into repair mode, and then just leaving it alone. And when I checked on it, it was either later that night or the next day, because I knew this might take a while, that I found two things. I now had a fully charged battery, and it would turn the engine over without so much of a hesitation. Once it, I don't know what it did on the battery, but at this point, it didn't damage, of course. How much more could you damage a flat battery? But it was one that brought a battery back to life. That's been a year ago, and I tell you what, I keep this charger handy at all times because you never know when something might happen. Now, it's more inclined to happen when you're in an environment where it gets to freezing or below freezing for a long period of time, because batteries have a tendency not to like that, especially once they get a couple years age on them. But this has been one, even in warmer climates, you could still have battery issues. But look at this one very closely, and I think you're going to be very happy when you put it to the test. It's not something you need a lot, but when you need it, to quote a particular commercial, it's priceless.